So congratulations on the purchase of your home. That's wonderful. I want to be the first to welcome you to the realm of never-ending home repairs. Unfortunately, that's the sad truth, that you're going to be spending a lot of time and a lot of money repairing your house, because pretty much every house is a money pit. But don't worry, I have a set of tools here that I recommend you buying in order to save yourself a lot of time and money by doing these repairs on your own. So let's go. All right, so let's get into this. I'm just going to go through these tools pretty quickly. I'm not going to go into much detail about what they're used for. I plan on doing that later on down the road in different videos. So the first thing would be a level. You have a pry bar, a claw hammer, an adjustable crescent wrench, a utility knife, a tape measure, a pair of pliers, set of vice grips, a caulking gun, a couple putty knives or taping knives, a screwdriver that accepts bits, a flashlight, a drill. And with the drill, I wouldn't go out and buy the cheapest drill that you could possibly find. You will regret every minute of that. So buy maybe a middle of the road drill. Bits to go with the drill and the screwdriver, and also drill bits. And the one thing that you're definitely going to want to get is a toolbox to put all these tools into, because there's nothing more frustrating than not being able to find the tool that you need for the job. So I definitely recommend getting a toolbox for that. Also, don't just take these tools and shove them into a drawer in your kitchen. They'll get lost and you won't be happy about that. So these are the tools that I recommend you as a homeowner doing small repairs around your house, purchasing and investing into. You'll definitely save yourself a lot of time and money with these tools. So for example, say you have a leaking toilet. Well, by the time you catch that leak and you get a hold of a handyman or a contractor that can fix that toilet for you, you might be a month down the road, and if you only have one toilet, that's not going to really work for you. So having the knowledge and the tools to be able to fix it yourself is going to save yourself a lot of time and a lot of money. And you can do a lot of jobs with these tools. So if you found this information useful, please like the video. And if you have a repair video or a remodeling video or something that you would like to see us make, please leave that down in the comments and let us know. We'd be happy to make that video for you. Well, I think that's it for today, so I will see you next time.